Hey guys, welcome to today's stream. In the last stream, we worked on making our application look good on desktop. The particularly the investment screen here, and we had this row layout in our desktop, and now in our mobile we have it as a column layout, and you can see this also has laid out as a column well here. So now let's go ahead and continue with what we were doing. And I see that there is not enough space here, so then I'll add a padding, or I can just add, yeah, let's go with the padding with only adding on top. So now this is looking fine. Now let's go to create our yearly total investment widget. First, let's just reorder it. Okay, now we have this widget here in the investments, so let's create it. And in the previous stream, I told you guys that we can use the same graph uh, with less smoothing of the curves to create that one, uh, the yearly total investment. So we are going to do exactly that. I'll just copy this, then yearly total. Now I have this yearly total here. So what I'll do, first let me import it here. And because we have the same variables defined outside the widget, it's causing the issue. Let me reload it. Now it is fine. We need some spacing here, right? For that, okay. Now let's focus on this. This is titled yearly total investment. Let's change this first. Okay, we have changed it. Then let's bring in instead of green color, yellow color here. Where is it? Here. uh, let's have it as orange. Yeah, this is looking fine. It's orange, not yellow color. And this is fine, this is also fine, and the numbers are different, so we need smoothing of the curve. curve smoothness 0. Then this will become sharp. Now let's manipulate the data here, like this has gone to 4K. We'll make it just a little different. Or should we just make it like this? Then from 2016 to 21 it is. If I add one more year here, this is not refreshing because this we have declared outside the widget, right? So it does not hot reload. So now we have 2016 as well, but 2021 is missing. I'll see if I can somehow bring it by reducing the size. Okay, different distance. Okay, this is the result size, which is this space. Okay, axis position formatted. Axis side. So what is this? Right, left represent the side of the chart. Okay. This has little to do with what we want from title meta. Okay. Axis position, the position that applied to the child widget along with its corresponding axis. What does this mean? Distance from edge 0. But let's enable it true. Parent axis size 25. Let's see. Okay, it's getting pushed away. Now it was brought. Oh, okay. I think we had a restriction, right? So here we were showing only max x is 4. It has to be 5. That will be it will start from 0 to 0 till 5. So then it will become 6. If I remove this, yeah, even then it should be fine. Okay, now I'll try to mimic this. So it's between, and it is 10,000 to 40,000. This is also again the left tile data. Left tile data, yes, here. Left tile widgets. Just have to add one more 0 and increase the width here. The the reserved size to 35, 40. Okay, now let's play around with it. In 2016 it is 5k. So it is 0 and this is 5. Okay, it is here, so 0.5. Okay, this is 1, this is 0.5, huh? I have the interval set to 1. Just 10. Yeah, it is missing the uh, x-axis line. That is why this is 0.5. This is correct. Grid horizontal line. Vertical interval 1. Next up we have 2017, which is 22,000, so 2.2, 2.2, 1. So here next should be 2018, it's 15.5. Okay, see the line has bent here. Next it is 35. So the graphs can be fun playing around with them. So the fourth one, and this is just dummy values, which what I'm doing here. If it is real values, then it will be much more fun in adding it. So yeah, that's it guys, we have the graph here. More or less it looks the same. And now let's move on to the next one. Here, this one, my investment. Liquidity. Now I need one more my investment widget here. Also, let's add a bit of spacing here. Okay. Next, let's concentrate on this. So we have a title and we have cards, right? We can just do like it has a title, then can I take this as a hmm, categories, e-commerce, marketplace, Samsung, industry. Okay, let's have like a string title, subtitle. I'm not creating any data structure, the model class for this. So then this can be just a list tile with the leading icon and I'll get icon data as icon here. And I'll remove the const. Then we have this trailing here, which is not an icon but text, and this says final, let's call it value, which is of double or int. So this is a value dot toString. Next here, let's have a column. Okay, this is fine. Okay, based on our widgets, it generated something. That's sorry, Copilot, that's not what I want. Apple stocks, yeah, fine. Samsung stocks, Tesla stocks. So it is e-commerce and a marketplace. Okay, let's have a car here. Okay, do we we don't have it. Car rental. Okay, next mobile. Next is okay, we definitely okay, we have an apple. Okay, then do we have Samsung as well? Oh no, we don't. Then there is this one, which will be 16 4, which is a negative, then this is 25. Now this one we will have like this, then font size will also be 16, yeah, That's it. Then we have to give tile a color. Colors dot white. Then we need to separate them. So add a sized box here. It is 16. Okay. So you can add border radius and all using shape. Box shape. What's an enum? Rounded rectangle border. Okay, let's have it 16. Yeah, perfect. Now for the final thing, we will have a text. My investments. And we'll start from here. Add a spacing here. So that's it. So that's the widget. And yeah, this depends on how you style it. You can just add a styling here, make it a container, give it some padding. But I think okay, let's have it as a plus dot orange. I'm not gonna have different things. Can have a decoration. So remember that on container it is box decoration. It is the decoration property which you need to alter to add some properties like this border radius, border, color, gradient, box shadow, even the image. So yes guys, we have this one here. Now yeah, we have added that. Let's make a commit first. We have added like 2 widgets, so let's just quickly add them. Add my investments and yearly total revenue. It's okay. I push it as well. Okay, fine. Now yes, we have done it. Then now there is a trending stock. Since it is also an investment, so it comes here itself. Trending stocks. Now that we can export here. I don't know, sometimes it gets right and sometimes it doesn't. Then we will add it in the investment screen here. After this, let's give it a back gap. Trending stocks. We should see a placeholder here. No. I told you guys that we will use a table for this one, right? Table in flutter. There is a table class. You can see this one. have they done? So table has column width where you can have different column width. Default vertical alignment is in the middle. Then for the children you have to define the rows. So okay, this is also first time I'm using this, so let's see how to do it. So when learning something you just have to jump into it, and eventually you will learn it. So just looking at the documentation or watching YouTube videos will not help. Just dive in, just start doing it, and automatically you will pick up as time goes on. Okay, table, children, table row which has a children again of widgets. Now we have a serial number here, then there is name, price and return. Okay, text, okay, name, okay, it should be default column. Okay, is there a T table head or something? Table row, table cell. Okay, table inkwell. Okay, let's see this here. Okay, inside table row it can be table cell. What happens if I wrap it? Okay, I think we will get access to some properties. Only that will happen. Okay, vertical alignment. Okay, perfect. I'll just duplicate this now. And wait, instead of that, let's have like final data. Okay, here we can use for loop, constant remove, I'll just say that it exists, you don't worry. Okay, we have it. And oh yeah, we have to improve. But this still already looking good. Do we need a border? We don't have any. Okay, table border all. What do we have? Border radius, border all, radius circular. Then okay, we don't have a color. I wanted a color here, but we can just add it here. Okay, then a bit of padding as well. Yeah, this is good. Let's have it at 12. Okay. Then there is this style. Gray. Okay. Then we can add a box decoration with border, bottom, width. Okay. I wanted a padding. It seems like we have to use something else. I can just wrap it. Okay, it has to be a row type, right? Okay. Then we can only hope that this will work. Oh, yeah, it's working. So, this will add it here as well. Okay, nice. There you go, guys. We have this one. Yeah, there is a bit of styling remaining. It's already time, and we'll see that in the next video. There isn't much to do here. We just have to add a bit of padding. Don't have any key. Okay. If I okay, yes. Instead, I would go with 4 on the horizontal and 8 on the vertical side. Okay, great. So that's it, guys. That's it, guys. We have added this trending stocks table, and we have added our investments list here, then this yearly total investment graph. And I hope you have learned something new. And if you have liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. And if there are any doubts, if there are any queries, or if there are any suggestions that you have, please do let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to answer them. uh, Also, I'll meet you again tomorrow, and we will continue building our next screen, which is this credit cards. And for this credit cards, I found a new widget. Let me show you that how you can easily add this scroll, this carousel, instead of using page view. And yeah, until then, goodbye everyone.